Class, please stand up for our prayer. Okay? Daddy, please lead a prayer. Good morning, mga bata. Kumusta kayo sa araw na ito? Mabuti naman kung gano'n. I hope you're all happy and feeling excited to learn something new today. But before we start, please, who is absent today? Oh, very good. Kaya wala yung absent today. Busy teacher, kaya wala yung absent. So, before we start, sa kung you listen, what we tackled was meeting. Okay, very good about shape. Please give me an example of shape. Yes, a ball. Very good. A ball is a circle. Also, wala siya is also shape. Another shape para mga bata. Okay, rectangle. So, very good. Okay, naka-remember pa mo kung isa ito ang discuss last day. So, lalo mga bata is not like game. Excited na ba mo mga bata? Oh, very good. Excited na. So, pwede mo mag-intog ka na at mag-game ka. Ito ang game kay tuan na diagrams. Okay? Bago kung wala sa teacher sa mga line, magsayaw ng inyong iporma ang mga line. So, pag-i-play na ni teacher ang music, grabe na line mo sumunod sa mga line na inyong teacher. Oh, very good. Ikabalo na dyan mo kung saan mga line. Ikabalo na dyan mo kung saan ka porma. So, yung mga bata, pwede na mo pa-report. Hindi sa part, sa tuwang Before we start our new lesson, please read our lesson rules. Okay, this is basa. So, kung isa to pagpalo sa ato ang lesson rules, o kung isa to ang mga sunod, o isa to mag-repeat, at taga natin sila o stars. So, muna ang atuang chart. Mag-guide para mapalo ang atuang lesson rules. So, kung isa to mga grupo na sunod sa mga policies at ang lesson rules, so maminaw na mag-repeat, at taga natin o start. Excited na po mga bata. Okay. So, nakapuntas atuang. So, pag-ibasa po sa atuang learning objectives na guide sa atuang discussion na at the end of this lesson, the pupils will be able to describe and name the different kinds of lines, use lines to draw representations of people, animals, houses, or objects around them, and appreciate the importance of lines in an artwork. Thank you, Mamata. So, our discussions for our topic for today is all about line. Familiar na ba kung saan mga line mga bata? Okay, very good. So, line can be straight or zigzag, wavy or dotted or skyline. Lines are used to make shapes, show movement, and make drawings exciting. Without lines, we cannot draw simple things like houses, people, or shapes. Kung saan line mga bata? So, very good. Lines or zigzag or wavy. So, kung wala ang line, hindi makagbuhat o mga drawing like house or hindi mo makabuo o mga shape like or mga drawing kung wala ang line. So, sa ganitong of mga house or mga balls o good mga bata. There are types of line. Curved line is a line that bends smoothly. Kung saan curved line mga bata? A line that bends smoothly. So, pakita na si teacher kung saan curved line. Okay, very good. Ana ang curved line or ana sa kampon mo na ang curved line. So, next is zigzag line. A line with a sharp turns. So, kung saan zigzag line, mga bata, a line with sharp turns. Pakita daw sa teacher kung saan zigzag. Ang teacher zigzag. Okay, very good. Now, ang zigzag. Mura na siya weaving. Mura na siya weaving na tuan or mo ang zigzag. So, weaving slope lights a waves in the ocean. Isa na nakaatong oceans, like mga dagat. Oh, very good. Nakaadto na ang tanan sa dagat. So, kung sa ganito mo sa dagat, mag-weaving. Okay, yes, mag-weaving ang dagat. So, ang dotted line is made of small dots. So, kung sa ganito ang dotted dot. Are made of small. Yes, that is made of small dots. So, ang spiral goes around and around. Isa na yung spiral goes around and around. So, hatagin mo si teacher o example sa spiral ng bata. Oh, very good. Ang snail. Kung sa ganito sa snail, forma, anak-anak. Yes, very good. Magandaan ang spiral like snail. A broken line made of small dashes. Okay, mga bata, kung saan broken line made of small dashes. So, datagin na o example si teacher o ka ng mga broken na line. Yes, kanang sa wood, kanang sa simento, like that. Kita mo kung atong mga line kanang ka, putol-putol na nasa simento. Okay, very good, guys. Ano po sa line? So, next ang vertical line. So, kung sa gani ang vertical line, up and down, let's go, very good, up and horizontal line. Side to side. Oh, very good. Side to side. And the diagonal line is the slanting line. Next is mga bata, lines are used to. Ang line ng mga bata is ginagamit sa make of shapes, show movement, make a drawings, exciting. So, unsa gani gamiton ang line mga bata? Okay, very good. Line is make a shapes, drawing movement, show movement, make drawings, exciting. So, without lines, we cannot draw simple things like houses, people, or shapes. No? Unsa gani? Sino tabo kung walay line mga bata? Yes, very good. Dito na mag-draw o mga house or anything na makita nato sa tuwang board. Yes, please. Why lines are important? Please read everyone. Lines are everywhere around us. It helps us see and create art. Recognizing lines help us understand art, shapes, and designs in real life. So, gano'ng importante ang line mga bata? Like, ang line ay recognizing, help us understand art, shapes, and designs in real life. Mga bata. Sabdan ba kung saan ang line mga bata? Very good. So, kay nasabdan man o nag-participate po mo, kay nagtuwag-tuwag mo sa mga pangkana ni teacher, o nagtatag mo mga example, so atagan ka mo, star. Every row is the height to star. Group 1 to star and group 2 to star. So, sabi mga pangutana mga bata, kung wala na, ako mo'y pangutana. So, what are the different kinds of line we learned today? Okay, Alexa. So, very good. Is straight or zigzag, wavy, that, and spiral. So, again, naminaw dyan ka, naminaw dyan mo kung saan mag-discuss ako. So, next question is, where can we see lines around us? Okay, Roy. Oh, very good. You can see roads, walls, clothes, and boats. So, next question is, why do artists use lines in their drawings? Okay, really? Okay, very good. Because lines help make pictures. So, without lines, they create of pictures. You're going to think your name. Next question is, what happens if we use only one kind of line? Okay, apple, are doing with flow, late or boring? Oh, very good. Ang drawing is like boring or walang pagbuhay. Ang drawing ko, walang lines. So, this is very